Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log in into another Snapchat account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up the Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, just go to the top left and tap on your Bitmoji. Okay. Once it loads, go to the top, tap on the gear icon. And in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find log out. Okay. So tap on it. Now make sure that you tap on yes if you want to switch account easily later. Okay, tap on save, then tap on log out. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you're going to want to tap on switch account. Okay, tap on it, add in your new username and password, and just tap on log in. Okay, so the next time you go ahead and log in, okay, or so for example, you're currently logged in to the new account. So just tap on your Bitmoji once more, tap on the gear icon, and scroll all the way down, okay? And tap on log out and just basically log out and switch account. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.